Hello, guys. Welcome back to UCFS. Welcome you all back to UCFX. Yeah, if you're new to this channel, welcome. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back as well. Yeah, so what we have on our screen today, how to win consistently in Forex. Yeah. We all need to be consistent in this Forex market. Nobody wants to be a loser. Everybody want to win. So in this video, I'll be talking everything I know from my own experience and how I've been profitable and how I've been winning consistently in the forex market. So stay tuned while I bring it up. So yeah, if you've been blowing accounts, losing money, generally still not profitable, and you're tired and almost giving up on trading, this video is just for you. Just watch till the end. Yeah, so I myself, I've blown accounts, I've lost money, got frustrated, but I had no choice but to keep pushing. So I'm going to tell you how I later became profitable. So I know you desire to have all those trends, running your favor. Those just don't give up. Just don't give up yet. Your story is gonna change soon. Trust me. Yeah. So here are the quick tips. How I later mastered. To win in the forex market. So I'll be listing them out here, and I will be telling you my experience. How I actually battled the whole. And how I eventually won. So just calm down. Sit tight and watch till the end. So the first thing I have here, you have to talk about the strategy. You have to talk about the strategy. Yeah, we have to talk about the strategy. Yeah, you need to develop a strong strategy. Yeah, I know what's going on in your mind right now. You've tried, nothing. Yeah, I know. Just listen to me. If you desire to be profitable, this is actually it's actually a journey. Let me tell you my experience. I struggled, with creating strategies on my own, but I failed several times because I had no money, I had no money then to pay for a mentorship. So the little I had, I got some mentorship. It's not quite really a mentorship, my friend, but it appeared that they weren't profitable yet, on their own. So imagine I lost that money, you know. So imagine the experience, the frustration it gave me. But I didn't stop moving, I kept on moving. So from this experience, if you have no if you don't know of anyone that can conduct great mentorship for you, you know you can do research before venturing into any mentorship. Just like I didn't know well if they have enough experience to teach me. They didn't have enough experience. So if you want to venture into any mentorship with anyone, just do diligence to find out if that person is actually profitable. Just don't get caught up with the whole profit stuff. There's this signal group that I entered one time while I was still struggling with trading. It appeared that in the free telegram they will post their winning trades. They will not post the losing trades. So when I eventually got into their paid signal group, I saw everything. I just saw everything. They hide their losing trades. They only just publish the winning trades. Try to catch up. Try to trick newbie traders to pay money and get the signals. So before you do anything like mentorship or signal, you have to make a nice research before going into all those stuff. If not, you're gonna have yourself to blame. So yeah, so but if you don't have enough money to get a mentorship, just have to stick with the plan B. And what's the plan B? You have to learn from the YouTube videos. This might be tough. It's usually tough because I eventually went back to learning from YouTube videos. It wasn't easy, man. It wasn't easy because the videos are not actually organized. The way you take it, from step one, step two. It was all scattered. Trying new strategies, trying new stuff each time. Getting frustrated. Learn, invest money, blow the account, come back again. It was just was just horrible, yo. It was just horrible. So if you don't have enough money to get a mentorship, you have to stick with the plan B, Go to YouTube, watch the few videos, But but trust the only thing but trust the only thing you need to, but the truth is that the YouTube videos are not actually organized, just like I said, you know. But in this channel, I'm actually into helping traders, I'm actually trying to bring out a kind of a grassroots, teaching that will actually enlighten traders to actually know and be profitable in the forex market. Just like I have in this my channel, I've actually organized episodes of the smart money concept strategy which I use, and I've organized them. I'll be dropping the link in the description so you can do well. And if you don't have a strategy or you're still struggling to get one, you can check the videos out. It will really help you because it helped me a lot. And I will still be making up videos like this, to actually bring out more and more juice out of this strategy to make people understand everything about this strategy. So I have the video, all of them, episode 1 to 5, learn the smart money concept. So you can do well to go and check the videos out, check it out. It will actually help you in this journey because it actually helped me. Just like I said, it's all for free. I'll keep on publishing free stuff. I'm not collecting any money from anybody. I'm gonna share all of my experience in this forex market in this channel. So you'll be doing well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification, like the video, comment on anything that you want me to talk about, just keep it on. Bring it on. I'm here for you. So yeah, what am I saying in essence? In general, just create a strong strategy. It might not be SMC, just like I told you, the one I'm trading. You might find anyone that is suitable for you, you know. Just find a strong strategy, test it out on demo account for about 3 to 4 months, you know. Test it for about 3 to 4 months and see how it works. For me, I've tried so many strategies, just like I said, but finally I'm trading the smart money concept, and it has been working nicely. The profits are massive. I strongly recommend it. Just like I said, the links are just still below. So you might develop yours just like I said as well. Yeah, so how would you know that a strategy is good? A strategy is like, is going to be profitable, you know. From my own experience, if you say you have a strategy or you're developing a strategy, at least that strategy should have specific times of entry, you know. Just in my own experience, I don't trade the Asian section. That's actually where a lot of traders get liquidated. Just try and master the London and the New York session if you want to really be profitable. And I think that's what a good strategy should have, trading the London, the London and the New York sessions, because that's when the market is actually volatile. And the market is actually most volatile during the London and New York overlap. So you should do well to include that in your strategy if you are developing one. Avoid the Asian session. Focus on when the market is volatile. You know, focus on when the market is volatile. Another thing that I want to point out on a good strategy is this: if you're developing a strategy, you have to your strategy need to have specific days that you're going to be taking trades. Just like in the forex market, Mondays are mostly slow and indecisive. Although there are some Mondays that are tradable, but mostly we mostly have the good moves from Wednesday to Thursday, just like that. So the market basically creates liquidity and trap traders on Mondays and Tuesdays, either short or long. And then Wednesdays and Thursday are basically for reversals. The markets, they wrap it up, just as kind of like Monday, they have to wrap things up for the week. So your strategy needs to have specific days of trading it. So just like I said, Wednesdays and Thursday for my own strategy, Wednesdays and Thursdays are basically for and when the market gives the most moves. Mondays are just everybody want to trade. Market is still arranging itself before it will take the nice and the beautiful moves. So your strategy needs to have specific days of trading. You need to avoid some specific days. Then second one, you need to consider fundamentals. When building your strategy, you need to consider fundamentals. Always check out for news before placing your trades, such as the NFP, the CPI. These are strongly news that move the forex market. These news actually move the forex market. So I would advise you, if you are still mastering your strategy, it's best to avoid trading while news is out. But if you can trade it, fine, go ahead. But from my own point of view, I don't trade the news. I hardly trade the news. I don't. Another thing a good strategy should have is confluences. You should be able to build a strategy that has um a lot of confluences. What do I mean by confluences? You know, let's say you're about to take a long trade. You need to see the market testing a specific zone. After seeing that, you need to check, maybe if you're using the Fibonacci, check the discount levels, just like I've been saying in my mentorship free videos. You know, check the discount levels, and stuff like that. The liquidity, where is the market coming from, where is the market heading, what's the market trying to do. Build strong confluences, at least four or more confluences, to be able to say, okay, I'm going to take this trade. You can't just enter into any trade, just because you feel like the market will move up. It doesn't work that way. You have to build confluences around that trade to be able to take at least four or more confluences. That's that for that. So then we move on to the next one. You have to consider risk management, because if you have, even if you have a good strategy and your risk management is poor, you won't make it any way far in this forex market. So you need to at least, when you're placing a trade, you need to at least target about 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Let's say you're risking 20 pips in a trade. At least you should be targeting 60 pips and above, so that in case you lose 3 trades and won 2, you will still be profitable. Because if you lost 3 trades, it will mean that you lost 60 pips. It will mean that you lost 60 pips. But if you win 2, it will mean that you gained 120 pips, and you still be 60 pips in profit. So think about it. You need to have a strong risk to reward management. That's another stuff. And from the way I've been trading the smart money concepts, the smart money concept has the strategy is all about taking small losses, placing small tight stop loss, because you have to trade down to the lower time frame. So it enables me to have the tightest stop loss. I can have like 10 pip stop loss, and it will eventually increase my risk to reward ratio. Because at times in a day the market, let's say Euro USD can move, it has an average daily range of about 50, 60, 70 pips. So it moves about 60, 70 pips in a day. So if you're risking about 10 pips and you're targeting 40 pips, that's 1 to 4. So it will actually give you a bigger chance of being profitable. But if you are using maybe a strategy that has about 30 pips stop loss, you might hardly get 1 to 2. So, and it will eventually drop your win rate. I'm just saying, by the way. So we have another stuff you need to watch out for. And as well, you need to uh talk about psychology. What do I mean by psychology? This this has to do with your emotions while trading. Don't trade money you are not comfortable losing. it can create pressure that will make you blow accounts, even if you have a good strategy, because you are afraid of losing the money. This will cause you to take random decisions, which will eventually lead to blowing the account. So generally, avoid anything that would make you trade under pressure. Take things gently, it will soon work out. And lastly, always follow your decisions, because that's the only way you can create confidence and trade profitably. Shut out the noise. Don't take other traders' decision. Try to build your own. Try to build something out of your own experience. What works for this person might not actually work for you. You need to build confidence around your own trading strategy, because it's all about you. You know. So I think that's all I have for this video. Do well to subscribe, like, and share, because there are more goodies coming your way. Because I mean helping new traders and to become profitable and stuff like that. So you can comment on any topic or anything that is giving you a challenge in the forex market, and I will talk about it. I'll be willing to talk about it. Share anything that you want me to share. Just keep on following. There's still more.